Make sure the dryer filter is connected to the suction portion of the recovery machine. Connect the recovery bottle to the discharge portion on the recovery machine and make sure it is in the closed position. Then start the recovery on the liquid side. Reconnect your gauges to the condensing unit. Connect the yellow hose to the filter dryer that connects to the inlet on the recovery machine. Make sure it is set to liquid. Open the valve and plug the recovery machine. Nozzles must be set to recover and turn on the machine. Open the outlet suction. Now we're going to open the liquid gauge. After a few minutes, you may check the gauge and the recovery machine level of refrigerant. Once you hit 0, close the right gauge, inlet and outlet suctions. Turn off the recovery button and the system. Close the valves. Take the gauge and transfer it to the vapor side. Open the valve. Set the inlet button to vapor. Switch on the recover, the outlet button and press start. Open the low side gauge and we wait until we are below 0. Close the low side. Close the vapor valve on the recovery tank. Close the inlet suction, the recovery button and shut down the pump.